Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. This time we're up the creek in Gibsons, Canada, on a wonderful trip that I spent there giving a workshop, a plein air workshop in this beautiful wilderness. Here's the spot that I chose for the workshop, a beautiful little scene with lots of nice elements in it. And here's the grayscale study I did on location. And then the next day, this color study. And this is the painting I'm doing for you today in the studio. So how did I get this image out of this scene? We'll learn that and a lot more in this lesson. I'll be painting in oils, but you could use any opaque painting medium. And I'll take you right through the whole process, from sketch to block-in to finishing details and a lot more. By the end of the lesson, you'll have a much better understanding of how to simplify a complex subject and bring the best out of it using exciting brushwork. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.